Did you know that after age 60, your risk of permanent vision loss increases sharply due to damage to your retina? Studies show that age-related macular degeneration is the leading cause of blindness in people over 60. Once your retina is damaged, there is no way to fully repair it. That's why this video is so important. Today, you'll discover a simple natural seed that may help protect your eyes and retina from this damage, and you probably already have it in your kitchen. This small seed holds powerful nutrients that can reduce inflammation, improve blood flow to your eyes, and strengthen the very structure of your retina. This could be the easiest thing you ever do to protect your vision and avoid future eye problems. So please watch until the end. Your eyesight depends on it. As we age, our body changes, and so do our eyes. The lens becomes cloudy, the muscles get weaker. The retina, the part of the eye that captures light, begins to break down. This leads to blurred vision, floaters, eye strain, and even total blindness in severe cases. The risk is especially high if you have high blood pressure, diabetes, poor circulation, or a history of smoking. But here's the good news. Scientific studies now show that certain foods can directly protect the retina. And one of the best natural remedies for this is flaxseed. That's right. A tiny seed that's often ignored can be your greatest defense against vision loss. Flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, especially a type called ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid. Your body can convert ALA into DHA, which is the exact fatty acid that makes up your retina. When your retina lacks DHA, the cells become weak. Vision begins to decline, but when DHA is present, the retina stays strong, flexible, and able to capture light properly. This keeps your vision sharp and helps prevent age-related degeneration. Flaxseed is one of the best plant-based sources of ALA. Just 1 tablespoon a day can give you a steady supply of omega-3s that help rebuild and protect your retinal tissue. But that's not all. Flaxseed is also packed with antioxidants like lignans and vitamin E. These fight oxidative stress, which is like rust forming on your eye cells. Oxidative stress is caused by sunlight, pollution, poor nutrition, and even some medications. Over time, it breaks down the delicate cells in your eye and causes inflammation. Antioxidants neutralize these effects and keep your eyes clear. One more benefit of flaxseed is that it helps regulate blood pressure and cholesterol. Why is this important? Because your retina depends on tiny blood vessels to bring oxygen and nutrients. If you have high blood pressure or clogged arteries, those blood vessels suffer. They can burst or leak, leading to blurred vision or permanent damage. Flaxseed helps improve circulation and keeps your blood vessels healthy. This allows oxygen-rich blood to reach the retina and nourish it. Better blood flow means better vision. But flaxseed has even more to offer. It helps control blood sugar, which is crucial if you want to prevent diabetic eye damage. High blood sugar causes swelling and leaking in the retina. This leads to blurry vision and eventual blindness. Flaxseed's fiber content slows down sugar absorption and keeps your blood sugar steady. That means less pressure on your eyes and more long-term protection. Another thing to know is that flaxseed has natural anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the root cause of dry eyes, redness, puffiness, and even nerve damage inside the eye. The omega-3s in flaxseed calm inflammation from the inside. They soothe irritated eye tissue and make your eyes feel more comfortable. That's why many people report less dryness and sharper vision after adding flaxseed to their daily routine. Now, let's talk about how to use it. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed a day is all you need. Don't use whole seeds. They often pass through your body without being digested. You must use ground flaxseed so your body can absorb the nutrients. You can buy it pre-ground or grind it yourself using a blender or coffee grinder. Always store it in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. Add flaxseed to your morning smoothie, sprinkle it on your oatmeal, mix it in your yogurt, or stir it into soup. It has a mild, nutty flavor and blends well with most foods. But avoid cooking it at high heat. That destroys the omega-3s. If you bake with it, keep temperatures low or add it after cooking. Some people prefer flaxseed oil. That's fine too. Just use 1 teaspoon a day and never heat it. Add it to cold salads, dips, or smoothies. Also, drink plenty of water when using flaxseed. Its fiber absorbs water and helps with digestion, but without enough liquid, it may cause constipation. So always follow with a glass of water. Now, let's see what research says. A study in the journal Ocular Pharmacology and Therapeutics showed that omega-3 fatty acids improved dry eye symptoms in older adults. Participants who took plant-based omega-3s, including flaxseed, reported better tear production and less irritation. Another review in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that omega-3s, like ALA, supported the structure and function of the retina in aging populations. They improved visual acuity and reduced inflammation. That's real science proving that flaxseed is not just a health trend, it's a natural medicine for your eyes. But we're not done yet. There's a bonus effect. Flaxseed supports your brain, your joints, your heart, and your hormones. So while you're protecting your eyes, you're also improving your overall health. One small change, many big benefits. Still not sure if it's worth trying? Think about the cost of not protecting your eyes. Glasses, eye drops, surgeries, medications. They add up. Vision loss also steals your independence. You stop reading, driving, enjoying life. But 1 tablespoon of flaxseed a day costs less than a few cents. It's natural, it's safe, and it could make a huge difference in your life. Don't wait for problems to begin. Start now, before your eyesight fades. Prevention is always better than cure. Your eyes are one of the most precious parts of your body. They help you see your loved ones, read your favorite book, watch the sunrise. Don't take them for granted. Take action today. Start adding flaxseed to your daily routine. In the next part of this video, we'll show you the best food combinations that make flaxseed even more powerful, what time of day to take it, and the 3 common mistakes seniors make when using flaxseed. These mistakes can reduce the benefits or even make things worse. Now that you know how flaxseed can protect your retina, reduce eye inflammation, and keep your vision clear after 60, let's take this further with more important details that can supercharge its benefits and help you avoid costly mistakes. Most seniors who try flaxseed never get the full results because they either use the wrong form, eat it at the wrong time, or don't pair it with the right nutrients. But today, you'll learn exactly how to unlock its full potential to save your eyesight naturally. First, timing matters. The best time to take flaxseed is with your first or second meal of the day, not before bed. Why? Because your digestion is more active during the morning and early afternoon. That's when your body absorbs omega-3s and antioxidants more efficiently. Having flaxseed with breakfast ensures its nutrients reach your retina when your body is fresh and circulation is high. Second, pairing flaxseed with the right foods makes a huge difference. If you eat it with sugar or processed foods, you cancel out its anti-inflammatory effects. But if you combine it with eye-healthy ingredients, the results multiply. For example, flaxseed and spinach work beautifully together. Spinach contains lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that concentrate in the retina. When you eat flaxseed and spinach together, you get omega-3s and plant pigments that coat and protect your eye cells like armor. Another perfect combo is flaxseed and carrots. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is essential for sharp vision, especially in low light. Together, flaxseed and carrots support both the outer layer of your eyes and the delicate inner retina. Blueberries also pair well with flaxseed. They contain anthocyanins, which reduce oxidative stress and strengthen the walls of tiny blood vessels in the eyes. You can make a powerful smoothie by blending ground flaxseed, spinach, carrots, and blueberries. This one drink gives you 4 levels of protection for your vision. Add a few drops of flaxseed oil on top for even more omega-3s. But be careful, flaxseed oil is fragile. Never cook with it. Store it in the fridge and use within 4 weeks of opening. Another smart combo is flaxseed and turmeric. Turmeric has curcumin, a compound that lowers inflammation throughout the body, including the eyes. Seniors with chronic eye redness or pressure often find relief when they take flaxseed with turmeric tea. You can make golden milk with almond milk, turmeric, and flaxseed powder. It's delicious, calming, and healing. Now let's address 3 big mistakes people over 60 often make when using flaxseed. These mistakes can block results or even cause side effects. Mistake number 1 is using whole flax seeds. Whole flax seeds often pass through your body undigested. That means the nutrients stay locked inside and never reach your bloodstream. Always use ground flaxseed. Grind it yourself with a coffee grinder or buy pre-ground flaxseed labeled as flaxseed meal. Store it in the fridge to prevent spoiling. Mistake number 2 is not drinking enough water. Flaxseed is high in fiber. That's good for digestion and blood sugar. But without enough water, it can lead to bloating, gas, or constipation. Always drink at least 1 full glass of water when you take flaxseed. Even better, drink water with lemon to boost detox and reduce inflammation. Mistake number 3 is inconsistency. Flaxseed doesn't work overnight. You need to take it daily for at least 4 to 6 weeks to see a difference. Think of it like brushing your teeth. It only works if you do it every day. Add it to your morning habit so you never forget. Now, let's talk about how flaxseed helps with specific vision problems. If you have dry eyes, flaxseed helps improve tear production by supporting the meibomian glands. These glands make the oil layer of your tears, which keeps your eyes moist. If you suffer from blurry vision, flaxseed's omega-3s help strengthen your retina and improve signal clarity between your eyes and brain. If you have diabetic eye damage, flaxseed helps stabilize blood sugar and protect the tiny vessels in your retina. If you feel pressure behind your eyes, flaxseed's anti-inflammatory action can help reduce internal swelling. If you have floaters or flashes of light, that may be a sign of retinal thinning. Omega-3s from flaxseed support the integrity of retinal tissue and reduce the risk of tears. But flaxseed doesn't work alone. You need other habits to support your eye health. Walk for 20 to 30 minutes a day. Movement improves circulation, which brings nutrients to your retina. Wear sunglasses outdoors to block harmful UV rays. UV light causes oxidative stress and speeds up vision loss. Limit screen time or use blue light. Filters. Blue light from phones and computers strains your retina and reduces melatonin, which affects your sleep and healing. Eat less sugar. Sugar thickens the blood and weakens your capillaries, especially in the eyes. Add more green vegetables. They're high in magnesium, which relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow to your optic nerve. Avoid smoking and secondhand smoke. Smoking chokes your blood vessels and damages your retina. Stay hydrated. Dehydration causes dry eyes and reduces oxygen flow to your vision center. Sleep at least 7 hours a night. Your eyes repair themselves during deep sleep. And finally, consider taking vitamin D if your levels are low. Vitamin D reduces eye pressure and inflammation. It also helps your body use omega-3s more effectively. So taking flaxseed and vitamin D together is a smart strategy. Now, here's a simple daily vision support plan for seniors over 60. In the morning, start with warm water and lemon. Then, eat a breakfast of oatmeal with ground flaxseed and blueberries. For lunch, have a salad with spinach, carrots, and olive oil. Add ground flaxseed as a topping. For a snack, drink a smoothie with flaxseed, banana, and almond milk. In the evening, enjoy golden milk with turmeric and flaxseed powder. Do gentle eye exercises like near-far focus or blinking drills to improve eye strength. Walk after dinner to promote circulation. Follow this for 30 days, and your eyes will feel less dry, more focused, and more protected from long-term damage. Your retina will thank you. Remember, food is the first medicine, and flaxseed is one of the best daily tools you can use. Don't wait until your vision fades. Once damage starts, it's hard to reverse. Start now. Add flaxseed to your routine. Make it a habit. It's a small step with big results, and best of all, it's natural, safe, affordable, and easy. You don't need a prescription. You don't need fancy eye drops. You don't need expensive treatments. You just need the right knowledge and consistency. The more you support your eyes today, the more you'll see clearly tomorrow. Your eyes are the windows to your world. Protect them. Nourish them. Use flaxseed daily and unlock the power of nature to keep your vision sharp, clear, and healthy, even in your 70s, 80s, and beyond. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you love. Help them protect their eyesight too. And subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful senior health tips. Your journey to better vision starts now with just 1 spoon of flaxseed a day.